In every factory, every power plant, and every industrial facility, massive machines do the heavy lifting. But behind these giants, there are small, often overlooked components that keep everything running smoothly. And when they fail, so does the entire operation. The hidden power of small devices. Think about an industrial motor powering a production line. It might be the size of a car, but without a small I/O module relaying signals, that motor won't even start. Or a hydraulic press, capable of shaping metal with thousands of pounds of force, but if a tiny solenoid valve fails, the entire system is down. Even advanced CNC machines with their precision cutting tools rely on compact encoders to measure position. If that encoder malfunctions, precision is lost and production stops. Examples of small yet crucial devices. I/O modules, the bridge between machines and control systems. If an I/O module stops working, communication between devices is lost, bringing automation to a halt. Flow meters, essential for monitoring liquid and gas flow in industries like water treatment and chemical processing. A faulty flow meter can lead to incorrect measurements, wasted resources, and system failures. Power supplies providing stable electricity to PLCs, sensors, and controllers. If a power supply fails, entire sections of a facility can go offline in an instant. Circuit boards and relays, the hidden controllers sending signals to motors, conveyors, and automated systems. When they fail, so does efficiency. The consequences of failure. The irony? These small devices are often the least expensive parts of an entire system. But when they go bad, they can bring production to a standstill, leading to costly downtime, missed deadlines, and expensive emergency repairs. That's why regular maintenance and expert repairs matter. At Global Electronic Services, we specialize in diagnosing, repairing, and replacing these critical components before they lead to major failures. Because in industrial operations, the smallest parts can make the biggest difference. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and contact us for more insights into industrial equipment maintenance. Global Electronic Services is manufacturing's #1 source for repair, sales, and service of all industrial electronics, servo motors, AC and DC motors, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Have a repair? We can help. Call or visit our website today. For more technical videos such as this one, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.